honestly, do you see your client really looking at the report and trying to fix the issue? It's more of just firefighting the
You know, I
problem when it
see.
happens.
Yeah, so I kind of see I see three levels really with most of my customers. So, um, you know, at the one level, I see folks that primarily use, you know, what they use the system for is they use the web, what we call the web monitor. So the display that shows, you know, what lights are on where, and the notifications. So the emails and texts.
Oh
So
yeah.
I see, you know, so a lot of customers use it at that level.
Okay.
They never look at the data. They don't look at anything. They're just purely using it as a, you know, pretty elaborate andon system that, you know, to shorten the response times.
Right.
The next level is the folks that do look at, mainly they'll do this report, and they're just purely, they're looking primarily at the, you know, just like with most downtime stuff, looking at the occurrences and duration of the issues, of the andon
Response.
issues.
Okay.
And then that triggers them to go look at an area. If they're seeing an uptick in,
Okay.
you know, calls, like, you know, now if they're using yellow for material handling, as long as nothing looks out of the ordinary, like they're not seeing the times get longer or something like that, you know, they use that to kind of monitor with. But all of a sudden, if they're seeing a lot of red, you know, maintenance calls from a certain piece of equipment, they're like, you know, let's go over and take a look at that. You know, maybe
Okay.
something's changed. So they're using it at a medium level. They're not doing anything more with it. Then the top level is they've actually gone in and they're putting incident reports in. There's data that they're like in this, you know, in this example that I showed. I don't know if, let me see if I can get it close enough. You can see where they've actually input data in, so that like each of these things they've
Right.
reported, you know, multiple tiers down as far as saying, you know, look, this was a maintenance issue, it was CNC machine, it was a fixture issue. And then they'll pull that raw data and filter it by, say, okay, maintenance guys, here's your top three items. Quality, here's your top three. You know,
Okay.
and doing it that, and that's very effective. So I
Right.
see, you know, and it's probably there. It's a smaller percentage of the folks that are doing it at that level, but you know, the ones that do get to that level and use it, you know, they really, really do see some benefit from that. And I don't recommend customers to actually go to that level first.